Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Wells Fargo bank account to your Coinbase account. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have a Wells Fargo bank account and you want to start monitoring closely your Coinbase transactions. This was the case for me. So in my case, I'm able to actually log into my Wells Fargo banking app and actually see the Coinbase transactions happening. So with that being said, before we get started, I do want to make sure that you have your Coinbase app up to date. It's this blue and white icon over here. And if you don't have that up to date just yet, you can use my link down below in order to sign up for Coinbase so that we each get $20 once you do sign up. Now, in order to actually go ahead and connect your Wells Fargo bank account with Coinbase, we're going to hop into our Coinbase account. Then on the upper left-hand side, you're going to click on these 9 circles. So from this page here, I must inform you first that there's a lot of different ways that you can connect your Wells Fargo bank account to Coinbase. This is just one of the ways that I'm showing you. But from this page, you're going to click on deposit, which is between the words convert and withdraw. So this page right here isn't as important, but you're going to see it's going to allow you to actually input a deposit amount. But what we're trying to do is actually go ahead and connect our Wells Fargo bank account to Coinbase. Above the buy maximum amount button, you're going to click on pay with. And then from this page here, you're going to click on add a payment method. So from this page here, you can either connect a bank account, debit card, or PayPal. You're going to click on bank account and then simply just follow the prompts here, click on continue, and then click on continue again. So from this page, you can either enter your phone number or continue as guest. I'm just going to continue as guest. And then you're going to see a variety of different banks here, okay? So you can see Chase, Bank of America, and Wells Fargo. So click on Wells Fargo. And then from here, you just need to log into Wells Fargo. So it even gives you a prompt that says, after logging into Wells Fargo, make sure you check all these boxes. So click on continue. And then from here on out, it's pretty self-explanatory after this. You simply just log into Wells Fargo, connect these certain accounts that you want connected to Coinbase, and there you have it. So this right here, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your Wells Fargo bank account to your Coinbase account.